Have you ever thought about how much web design has changed in the past decade? It's a real whirlwind when we take a step back to examine the evolution. In the early days, web pages were simple. They were static, built using basic HTML. The internet was a digital brochure, a place where you could read but not interact. Fast forward a few years, and the landscape started to shift. Websites became dynamic, interactive spaces. They were no longer just about dispensing information. They were about creating an experience. This was achieved using complex codes like JavaScript, CSS, and PHP. Websites were no longer just digital brochures. They became digital homes, and in some cases, digital playgrounds. As the internet grew, so too did the importance of web design. Businesses realized that their website was often the first point of contact with potential customers. A well-designed website could make all the difference between a visitor turning into a customer or bouncing off to a competitor's site. The same held true for individuals. Bloggers, influencers, freelancers, anyone with something to say or sell understood that a good website was a powerful tool. But with this evolution came challenges. Traditional web design methods are complex, requiring a high level of skill and knowledge. It's not just about knowing how to code, it's about understanding user experience, search engine optimization, and responsive design. It's about marrying aesthetics with functionality. It's about creating a site that looks good, works well, and ranks high. And let's not forget about the time and cost implications. Building a website from scratch can be a lengthy and expensive process. It's a barrier that has kept many a good idea from seeing the light of day. And that's a real shame. But what if there was a simpler, more accessible way to design websites? A way that levels the playing field and allows anyone with a vision to bring it to life online. Imagine that. Well, hold that thought as we journey into the realm of possibilities. But first, as always, please subscribe to this channel. It will help me to help others. Also, like and comment below. Thanks. Enter the era of AI web design, a revolutionary approach to website creation. This innovative method streamlines the process of building your online presence, making it as easy as pie. But what exactly is AI web design? Let's delve into it. AI web design can be defined as the use of artificial intelligence to automate the process of designing and creating websites. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, tirelessly working to create the perfect online platform for you. The AI uses algorithms to make design decisions, taking into account the latest trends, user experience, and your specific requirements. The benefits of this new approach are truly transformative. First and foremost, it significantly reduces the time and effort required to create a website. Gone are the days of laboriously crafting each element of your site. With AI web design, you can get a fully functional, aesthetically pleasing website up and running in no time. But it's not just about speed. AI web design also offers increased efficiency. The AI can handle multiple tasks simultaneously, ensuring that every aspect of your website is optimized and in sync. It takes into account factors such as load speed, SEO optimization, and mobile responsiveness to ensure your website performs at its best. Perhaps one of the most impressive benefits is the ability to create more sophisticated designs with less technical knowledge. You don't need to be a coding whiz or a design guru to have a stunning website. The AI takes care of the technicalities, allowing you to focus on what you do best. It's democratizing web design, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical prowess. AI web design is shaking up the world of website creation. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's user-friendly. It's enabling businesses and individuals to establish a strong online presence without the need for extensive technical know-how or countless hours of work. So, how does AI web design stand against traditional methods? It's time to put AI web design and traditional web design head-to-head. In one corner, we have traditional web design. It's been the reigning champion for years, trusted by many for its precision and control. It gives designers the ability to fine-tune every element, from the layout to the typography, to create a truly unique website. However, it's not without its downsides. Traditional web design often requires a deep understanding of coding languages, which can be a steep learning curve for beginners. It's also a time-consuming process, with every change needing to be manually implemented. This can lead to higher costs and longer delivery times, putting it out of reach for many small businesses and individuals. In the other corner, we have the new challenger, AI web design. It's been gaining traction for its speed, ease of use, and adaptability. AI web design uses algorithms to generate designs based on user input, which means you can have a fully functional website up and running in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional methods. And it's not just about speed. AI web design is incredibly user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces that require no coding knowledge. This means that anyone, regardless of their technical skills, can create a professional-looking website. Perhaps one of the most exciting advantages of AI web design is its ability to stay on top of the latest design trends. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify what's hot and what's not, allowing it to generate designs that are always fresh and modern. So, is AI web design a threat to traditional methods? Not necessarily. They both have their strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice will depend on your specific needs and resources. But there's no denying that AI web design is democratizing website creation, making it accessible to everyone, not just those with coding skills. AI web design is clearly a game changer, but where can you start your journey? Meet OCreate, your AI-powered web design companion. This is not just a tool, but a revolution in the making. OCreate is a game changer in the world of web design, combining artificial intelligence with intuitive user interfaces to reshape the way you design websites. It's the perfect blend of user-friendly design and smart technology, making it a potent companion for both beginners and seasoned designers. With OCreate, the design process becomes a breeze. You don't have to spend hours learning complex coding languages or navigating through clunky design tools. OCreate's AI does the heavy lifting for you. It learns from your inputs, understands your design preferences, and generates stunning website designs that are tailored to your taste. But that's just the beginning. OCreate also offers an array of features that make the design process even more effortless. Its smart layout generator creates aesthetically pleasing and functional designs in a snap. The color scheme generator picks the perfect hues to match your brand's personality. And the typography selector, it intelligently chooses the right fonts to convey your message effectively. And remember, with OCreate, you're not just designing a website, you're crafting an experience. The AI-powered platform understands the principles of user experience and incorporates them into every design. It ensures that your website is not only visually appealing, but also easy to navigate, providing a seamless experience to your visitors. OCreate is also an inclusive tool. It doesn't matter if you're a novice dipping your toes in the web design waters for the first time, or an experienced designer looking for a smarter way to work. OCreate is designed to be of use to everyone. It strikes a perfect balance between simplicity for beginners and the flexibility required by professionals. In short, OCreate is not just a web design tool. It's a platform that empowers you to create, innovate, and make your mark on the digital landscape. It's an ally that works with you, learns from you, and helps you bring your creative visions to life. OCreate is here to revolutionize the way you design websites. Imagine a future where anyone can design a website, regardless of their technical skills. A world where creativity is the only limit, not your knowledge of coding or design principles. Welcome to the future of web design with OCreate. OCreate, with its revolutionary AI technology, is set to redefine the landscape of web design. By marrying artificial intelligence with user-friendly interfaces, OCreate is making web design accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a novice, OCreate opens up a world of possibilities, where your design ideas can come to life with just a few clicks. The beauty of AI web design is its adaptability. As the digital world evolves, so does OCreate. It learns from design trends, user behaviors, and feedback, constantly refining its algorithms to deliver better, more intuitive designs. And this is just the beginning. As technology advances, we can expect Ocreate and AI web design to offer even more innovative features and solutions. But what does this mean for you? It means you can bring your ideas to fruition without the need for extensive technical skills or a hefty budget. It means you can focus on the creative aspect of web design, while Ocreate takes care of the technicalities. It means you can experiment with design elements, test new ideas, and make changes on the fly, all with the assurance that Ocreate's AI is working behind the scenes to ensure your site is functional, visually appealing, and user-friendly. Ocreate is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It's a platform that encourages creativity, fosters innovation, and empowers users to take charge of their digital presence. It's the stepping stone to a future where web design is no longer a complex exclusive field, but a creative endeavor open to all. So, why wait? Embrace the future of web design. Experience the power of AI. Unleash your creativity. With Ocreate, the future of web design is in your hands. Start your AI web design journey today. For more information about Ocreate and AI web design, please go to the description below. Thank you and have an awesome day.